Hi, it's Dave Exeter Motorworks. We've got an E220 on a 66 plate. We're just going to see how to change the rear brakes or the rear brake pads. So the car is locked at the moment. I'm going to unlock it, jump in. Right, so we're in the car and the menu, the screen we're looking for on the menu is this one. This has got the mileage on the bottom and the trip mileage on the top. So the first thing I'm going to do is start the car. This is a keyless ignition car. So start the car up. And what we're looking for is for the P light to be out. If your parking brake is on, I'm just going to pull the parking brake on. So foot on the brake. I've pulled the handbrake up. We want that P light to be off, otherwise you'll get an error message and you won't be able to open the calipers. So P light off. And then back down for ignition off. So now the ignition's off, you're actually in position 1. So what we've got now is we've got an OK button here in the middle, and on the right hand side there you've got a home button. So I'm going to push the home button down and then click the OK with the home button pushed down. So I'll just show you, I'm going to push that home button now and the display will change, and then you instantly, as soon as that display changes, push the OK button. I'm sorry it's so dark, but we've got brake pad replacement up. So now we need to go back to this OK button, push down. So you swipe it down until you're on brake pad replacement, push OK again, and OK again, and the calipers will open up. So I've just heard them open up. You change your brake pads in the normal way, get a piston wind back tool just to push the piston back into the caliper. Once you've changed them, jump back in the car, push OK again. That will close the calipers back up, and you're all finished. The way I get out of this menu is literally just open and close the car with the remote, and you're out of the menu, and that's the end of it. Everything's sorted out and you're finished.